This video will explain how to apply for a student visa when applying through a licensed education provider. Before you start your application, check which student visa you need to come to the UK. There is a handy check if you need a visa tool on gov.uk. Apply as early as possible. Applying from outside the UK, you can apply up to 6 months before you start your course. Applying inside the UK, you can apply up to 3 months before your course. If you are switching into a student visa or extending, you must apply before your current visa expires. You can start to prepare your documents and evidence in advance of applying. You are not required to book any travel before you apply or before a decision has been made on your application. You must have an unconditional offer of a place on a course with a licensed student sponsor before you apply. The education provider will send you a reference number called a confirmation of acceptance for studies known as a CAS. If you're doing a master's degree or above, you may need to apply for the Academic Technology Approval Scheme (ATAS) certificate. You may need a TB certificate depending on where you are traveling from and how long you have been in a particular country. You may need to provide the level of your English language ability. Start. The Student Visa Guide explains everything you need to know to apply for a student visa, including a step-by-step guide to walk you through the information required. Have all of your documents and information ready before you start your application. Application. Click Start now to begin your application form. Please read the questions carefully so you understand the information you will be asked for. There will be guidance throughout the application process to assist you. At the start, you must enter your email and create a password. This will allow you to log back into your application at a later point if needed. You must provide the English spelling of your first name and family name, how it is shown on your passport or travel document, who you are traveling with, and your family history. You may need to prove that you have enough money to pay for your course and support yourself in the UK. Provide additional information to explain your funds, for example, if there are large deposits or unexpected funds. If you're under 18, you'll need written consent from your parents or legal guardians. Documents. You will need to upload your documents as part of your application. Missing or incorrect documents can delay your application. Declaration. At the end of the application questions, you will need to confirm if you understand and accept the student visa conditions and that you have read and accepted the declaration. The most common error is entering a name or other personal details incorrectly. Check these details when you enter them. If you notice a mistake after you have paid and submitted your application, you need to cancel your application, apply for a refund and start a new application. Payment and biometric information. You will be directed to WorldPay to make your visa application payment. You will be required to pay the immigration health surcharge as part of your application if you are staying in the UK for more than 6 months. The healthcare surcharge gives access to National Health Service (NHS) treatment without charges. You will need to provide your biometrics, photo and fingerprints, and your documents. You will either be directed to our suppliers, VFS, to book an appointment or to follow the steps on the IDV app. At the end of your application, you will be given a reference number and an email to confirm the application has been completed. You should retain this email for your records. What happens next? UKVI will start to process your application. You do not need to contact us once your application is submitted. We will contact you within current processing times if we need further information from you. You will receive an email when UKVI has made a decision on your application. Check your spam or junk folders. You will be advised what to do next. If you are outside the UK, you must not travel to the UK before the start date given on your visa. For more information on how to apply for a student visa, search student visa on gov.uk.